Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to put border in picture in Canva. All you'll need to do once you're in Canva, you'll simply tap on the picture that you would like to add a border to. Once you have selected the pic, you're going to tap on Edit Photo. So we'll tap on Edit Photo from the top menu option. After you have selected Edit Photo, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down. After scrolling down, I want you to tap on Shadows. After you have selected Shadows, you're going to tap on Outline. Once you have selected Outline, you can see right there that a border has now been added to the image. And to change the color of the outline, all you'll need to do is scroll down, and from here you could tap on the color box and you could choose whichever color you want to use. So for example, if I would like it to be green instead, I could tap on green, and you can see right there you can select whichever color you want. It to be blue, you want it to be any color at all, you can select the color that you would like it to be. So I will select black, so I'm going to stay with black right there. After you have done that, you can increase the size by simply pulling along the slider right here. And by pulling along the slider, you can see the increase in the border size, as you can see right there. As you can see that it is getting thicker. You can also increase the blur amount by simply pulling along the slider right here. And you can see the difference as I do that. After it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is simply continue your upload. So you could add text if you want, and then from there you can tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then from there you could select download and you can download your design. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.